My dear friends, good morning. Greetings to you from Vinay Joseph. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be talking to you and discussing with you a new concept called finger tables. But while recording this video, I am wearing a mask. This is to make you understand that wearing a mask by you young children when you are outside in public or when you are meeting your classmates or any others is a must. It is compulsory. We are through a pandemic, and this pandemic is making almost all the countries suffer. And you, as young children, you need to know the basic precautions that you need to take. Number one, do not go outside or communicate with anybody without a mask. Number two, when you are communicating, a minimum of 6 feet should be the distance between you and the person with whom you are talking. Number three, wash your hands with soap and water as many times as possible. And when you are outside and you are unable to get soap and water, you can use the sanitizer. Always eat home cooked food and drink hot water. Please take care of your personal hygiene and also the cleanliness in and around the place where you reside and where you study. Avoid eating outside and also avoid crowded places. This pandemic has to bring in a change in your behavior and in your attitude as well. Please minimize touching your face, nose, and eyes. And if you are doing it, do it only after you have washed your hands. If there are elderly people at home and if you have younger children at home, please give additional care to them. Never miss your prayer and also never miss your exercises and meditation. Please take care because all of you are very precious. This society and this world belongs to you, and it is your duty to take care of yourself before you take care of other things. If you truly love your parents, if you truly love your teachers, and if you truly love yourself, you will have to take care of yourself first. Be strong, be disciplined, be organized. As you all know, the tables from 1 to 5 is very easy. If we have to multiply numbers between 6 and 10, we know the conventional method of multiplying. Some memorize and multiply, some multiply it physically. Today, let us try to learn a new way of multiplying numbers between 6 and 10. Stretch your two palms and stretch your fingers. This small finger is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Likewise, on the right hand 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We can multiply any numbers between 6 and 10 using our fingers. For example, if we have to multiply 7 and 7, bend 7 in your left hand. The little finger is 6, the ring finger is 7. Bend it. On the right hand also bend 7. The little finger is 6, the next one is 7. Join them. So for each joined finger, I'll give 10 marks, 10 grades, 10 units. Why is that I am giving 10? Because I am using base 10. So I am joining 2 fingers. So I get 20. Now go behind the joined fingers on the other side where you find the little fingers. So 20, 30 and 40. For each finger behind the joined fingers, you should give 10 points. So 2 fingers you are joining, 20. Go behind, 30, 40. Now you come in front of the joined fingers towards yourself, towards your chest. On the left hand side, I have 3 fingers, and on the right hand side, I have 3 fingers. Multiply 3 and 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Earlier, I had 40, and now I have 9. If I add, I'll get 49. 7 into 7 is 49. 8 and 8 will multiply. 6, 7, 8. Here, on the right hand, 6, 7, 8. Bend the 2 fingers, join them. You are joining 2 fingers, so 20 points. Go behind. On the left hand, you have 2 fingers. For each finger, 10 points. So 20, 30, 40. On the right hand side, 2 fingers, 50, 60. Now come in front of the joined fingers. On either side, you have 2 each. 2 into 2 is 4. 60 plus 4 is 64. If I take numbers say 7 and 8, 6 and 7, bend 7 on one of the hands, bend 8 on the other, 6, 7, 8, join them, 20, go behind, 30, 40, 50, come front, 3 here and 2 here, multiply, 3 into 2 is 6, 50 plus 6 is 56. If I multiply 9 and 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, join them, 20, go behind, for each finger 10 points, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Come in front of the joined fingers. On either side you have 2 fingers, multiply them. 1 into 1 is 1. 80 plus 1 is 81. If it is 10 into 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Join, 20, go behind, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. In front of the joined fingers, towards your side, there are no fingers left, so it is 0. 100 plus 0 is 100. Dear children, please try multiplying other numbers between 6 and 10 using your fingers. You will be very easily learning the number multiplication between 6 and 10. Browse through my channel where you can find the interesting way of multiplying. One was lattice multiplication and the other one was Chinese method of multiplying. Learn those things as well. Try to build your knowledge and expand yourself. Be curious. Learn more. Organize yourself well. Be disciplined. Take care of your health. Be safe. God bless you. Please subscribe to my channel. comment and share.